Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can get connected with our product expert, or you can get help related to TranZact, or also you can join our demo session. So on your right hand side, you will see option of get help. One option is that you can go through chat and you can just raise a chat over this from this option, and we will be there to guide you and assist you with all your queries. Or just hover a little down and here you will get an option of schedule live demo. So in order to get connected with our product expert to take a product walkthrough, like a demo call, you just need to click on schedule live demo, and here you will get a Calendly profile from where you need to select that for which date you want to book your slot. Just fill all the details and accordingly you can go ahead and join our demo session. So this is how you can get connected with us, and we will be there to assist you with all your queries and with the demo session. Please reach us over support chat in case you are facing any issue related in scheduling demo or related to TranZact. Have a good day ahead.